Good morning, class 8. So today we start the exercise 2.1. So in the class today we have to complete the exercise first. So first question is simplify and express in exponential form. So before starting the exercise, read all the properties of exponential which we already marked in the extra class, in the live class. Okay. So now simplify we have to do. First part is 7 power 4 into 7 power minus 3. First question, first part 7 power 4 multiply 7 power minus 3. So this we have to do. Now here we use the property a power n. A power n into a power n. So it will what? Whenever multiply is there, power will be added. So a m plus n. So this we have to do here. This property we have to use 7. Now 4 plus. Here two signs are there, minus 3. So this we have to do. Now plus minus is what? We all know. 3 minus. So 7, 4 minus 3, answer is 1. So this is your first part. Now second part, same as it is you have to do, like minus 6 plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4 is what? Minus 2. So 8 power minus 2 is the answer. For the second part, look at that. The answer is minus 2. Or you can write in the plus also. How we can write in the plus? It will be reciprocal. We can write 1 8 square. This also. So both the answers are same only, 8 power minus 2 or 1 upon 8 power 2. Now we go for the third part. Third part is 1 upon 3 power minus 2 into 1 upon 3 power minus 3. Again same property will be used, a power m into a power n. The power will be added, like a power m into a power n, the power will be at m plus n. So now 1 upon 3, now the power will be at minus 2 plus minus 3. Now plus minus is what? It will be minus 3. Minus 2 and minus 3. The answer is what? Minus 5. This is only the answer. 1 upon 3 power minus 5. If you want the answer in the positive form, powers will be always positive. Try to do convert into positive. The power will be converted into positive, 3 power 5. Whenever 3 will go up, minus will convert into positive. Now same as it is, the fourth part is there, that 11 minus 6, answer will give 5. Now second question, simplify and write the answer with the positive exponents. He said that now we want the answer in the positive one. Okay. So first part is 6 power minus 8 divided by 6 power minus 3. Question number second. First part 6 power minus 8 divided by 6 power minus 3. This we have to do. Now look at that, a power m divided by a power n. Then in the division power will be subtract, a m minus n. So here also we have to do this thing, only 6 minus a and 6 minus 3. The power will be subtracted, minus a minus this one, minus 3. So it is what? 6 minus 8 minus minus is what? Plus 3. And 6 minus 8 plus 3 is 6 minus 5. This is only the answer. But the question saying we want the answer in the positive form. How we can write in the positive? It will be 1 upon 6 power 5. When we do the reciprocal, the sign will be changed. Now second part, m power 6 upon n power 7. Again same property will be used, a power m divided by a power n, a m minus n. Question is given m power 6 upon m power 7. So what we have to do, power will be subtract, 6 minus 7, answer is minus 1. We want the answer in the positive form, so we can write 1 upon m also. Both the things are same. Now 25 upon 26 minus 3, 25 upon 26 minus 5. Here minus 3 and minus minus will be plus 5. So answer will come in the form of positive. You can do this one also. C part is your homework. Now question number 3. 3 power 0 into 1 power 0. 3 power 0 into 1 power 0. Now the property is anything power 0. Answer is what? 1. So now look at that. 3 power 0 means anything power 0 is answer is what? 1. And here also 1 power 0 answer is what? 1. So 1 into 1 final answer is 1 only. A very easy question is there, first part. Second part, p minus 4 whole power 0. Okay. Second part, p minus 4 whole power 0 means this will be multiplied. Okay, so minus 4 into 0. So p into 0, and we know the answer is what? Anything power 0 is 1. This is only the answer. Now third part, important part is there, third one. Third part is 1 upon 5 power 0 minus 1 upon 8 power 0 whole power 0 into 7 power 0. So now look at it. Anything power 0, what I said, anything power 0 answer is what? 1. Minus anything power 0 answer is 1. Power is 0 into 7 power 0 answer is 1. That 1 minus 1 answer is what? 0. That now here is the main thing. What we have to write in the answer, 0 power 0 or 0 power anything. So now 1 minus 1 into what? 0 only into 1, and 0 into 1 answer is 0 here. Now fourth part of this. Fourth part is homework part. 3 power 0, 4 power 0 plus 5 power 0, 1 plus 1 plus 1. It is what? 3. Divide by a power 0 plus b power 0. So 1 plus 1 divide by 2. So answer is 3 by 2. Now we move to the question number 4th. Simplify. 2 power minus 3 into 5 power minus 3. This we have to do now. 2 power minus 3 into 5 power minus 3. Now here if you see that the concept is the power is the same. So here we use identity. I will tell you the number of identity which one will be used. Identity number 4. A power n into b power n. A power n into b power n. If the power is same, we can write ab into n. A into b multiply n. So here power is same. So what we do? Multiply. That 2 into 5 whole power minus 3. 2 into 5 is what? 10 power minus 3. And I know we have to write the answer in positive form. I can write 1 10 power 3. This is only the answer. Now second one, same part. Second part is your homework. 11 power minus 5 into 3 power minus 5. That 11 into 3 33. 33 power minus 5. So we can write 1 upon 33 power 5. Very easy question. C1 I will do. C1 is a little bit tough also. Third one part. That minus 4 upon 9 whole power minus 7 multiply minus 3 upon 8 whole power minus 7. So here a into m, b into m, we can write a into b whole power m. This property we will use. Okay. If the power is same, we can multiply minus 7. Now these 3 ones are 3 3s are 4 ones are 4 2s are, and minus minus will be multiplied. Answer will be what? Plus 3 2s are 6 whole power minus 7. This is only the answer. If we want the answer in the positive, you can do the reciprocal also. Otherwise, this will be also the right answer. Now 4 questions are completed and 4 are left. Question number 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now fifth question. Fifth is 3 square into 2 power minus 2. Multiply 5 square divided by 5 square. Easy questions are there now. Now question number 3. First part, 3 square into 2 power minus 2, 5 square divided by 5 power minus 2. 2 only. So solve it. Easy question. 3 square multiply 2 minus 2. So we can write here 2 power 2. And second one will be in the bracket 5 power 2 upon 5 power 2. So this we can cancel. And here 3 square is what? 9. 2 square is 4. This is only the answer. Second part, 28 P4 cube divide by, I will do directly here, 12 P cube whole cube. This only we have to do, P4 cube square. So here cube is separately, both having the cube. Okay. So 4 3 are 12, 4 7 are, it will be cancelled here and q will be cancelled here. So 7 upon 3 above left p and down left q. 7 p upon 3 q. Now C part, is 3 power minus 1 divided by 5 power minus 1. We want answer in the positive. So 3 will come down, 5 will go up. So answer is what? 5 upon 3. A very easy question is there. Now last part, D part. Note it down up to there. D part. Five upon 15 power minus 2 into 3 upon 5 minus 2 divided by 2 upon 5 minus 1. This is the question only. So first one I will use the property which will the power will be same. So what we can write, 5 into 3 upon 15 into 5. Same power will be there, minus 2, and divide by 2 upon 5 whole power minus 1. 5 and 5 cancel, 3 ones are and 3 5s are. So here we left 1 upon 5 whole power minus 2 and divide by 2 upon 5. Here I want the plus will be power. Okay, power will be, I want the plus. So what we can write, 5 upon 2. Okay. And here also I want the power will be plus. So what we can write, 5 square. And divide will be converted to multiply. So I can write 2 upon 5. That 5 and 5 will be cancelled. So 5 2's answer is 10. A little bit hard question is there. So do it properly, practice for this. Now question number 6th, 7th and 8th, 3 left. 6th is we have to find the value of x. 2 parts there only in the 6th. Sixth question, A part, that is given 7 upon 8 minus 8 multiply 7 upon 8 3 is equals to 7 upon 8 x. Find this value of x. So here is what? Power will be added. So what we can write? 7 upon 8 minus 8 plus 3. 7 upon 8 x. So minus 8 plus 3 is what? It will be minus 5. 7 upon 8 x. So the value of x is what? If the bases are equal, power will be also equal. So the value of x is minus 5. This is only the answer. Now B part, 4 upon 7 minus 3 power. This is the question. Now here 4 upon 7 is there, here also 4 upon 7, here 4 upon 7, but here 4 upon 7 is not there. So we have to make here 4 upon 7. How we can make? Now look at that. Here minus 3. What we can write? The square of 4. Okay. And this is the square of 7. And the power is minus 1. Here it is same only 4 upon 7 x minus 1. Now the 2 will be gone out. So 4 upon 7 minus 3 and 4 upon 7 minus 2. Minus 1 is there, 2 will be multiplied outside, so minus 2. And last 4 upon 7 x minus 1 will be left. So now the power will be added. Minus 3 minus 2. It is what? Minus 5 x minus 1. Minus 1 will become here. It will be plus 1. So the value of x is minus 4. This is only the answer. Here I do the direct step because here we use the power 1. If the powers are same, we will add, and finally if the bases are same, power will be equal. That will be done in the A part also. Now question number 7th. 7th question is, by what number should 8 upon 9 power minus 3 will be multiplied to get as the product is 1? Okay. Easy question is there. I will take let the number b x. He said if I multiply this number, let 8 upon 9 whole power minus 3 will be multiplied to x, that we get the answer is 1. So what is the value of x? This is we have to find only. So I want to first make it the same positive power. 9 upon 8, we can write this also, 3 into x is equals to 1. Now 8 will be go up, listen, or I will separate the power also. 9 upon 9 power 3, 8 power 3 multiplied x is equals to 1. So what is the value of x? 8 will be go there. 8 power 3 or 9 power 3 will be go down, or I can write this also, 8 upon 9 whole power 3. This is the answer. And now last question is there, question number 8. MCQ is there. Which of the statements are true? So A, I think if you see that A and C, these are not a properties, not a correct properties. Only B and D are the correct following properties. So the statement is B and D are the true. So the remaining parts are the homework that you done in the summer holidays, and the chapter 1 and chapter 2, I think the course is also completed. That will come in the first periodical. So thank you all of you. Be safe at home, wear the mask and be healthy. Thank you all of you.